So this one is about the 1 centimeter that I made there, right, for the edge attaching the blouse and the placket. So I followed that mark of pencil up to here to the stop line, both of the plackets. Now I will show you how to fold it and hide this one, that one, right, like that. You fold like that, then put the pin first, like that. It can be shown on the camera. Because that is the natural that I made 1 centimeter, I have to follow it so that it will be matched on inserting the fold inside the end of the plackets. That. But before finalizing this, I check very well if the folding inside here is accurate or not crooked like that. I will show you the technique later, how to be beautiful here. Just fold it like that. So I'm just showing, before folding that, you have to stretch this or iron it. So on the finished product, it is very flat, like that. You fold like that, as if you're iron is like that. Fold on the front, on the correct side, or you iron it like this. I mean like this, no folding here on the stitch. There you go, like that. And then cover the mark as well on the inside, the mark of the pen. I followed the 1 centimeter on this two, this one, hiding the stitch, the end of the fabric. Okay. So on Thursday, what I will do is the collar, mandarin, combination of mandarin and polo collar. You see what I mean? Is like that. You have to check on the correct side of the blouse. This one must be straight, flat, no folding. You see the mark are already hide, no more mark. So I'll show you. I want it to stitch each side here, so I can manage to follow the end of this one, the end of the collar at placket edge. Okay. I'm just volunteering right now in YouTube. I don't have monetization, but I just want to help others to share, because I'm already senior, so I cannot make business. If you have business, you have a partner or companionship to help you out in delivering like that. So what the only thing I can do now is to teach, but I have an incoming online business, ebook, electronic book I wish you will buy about accounting, bookkeeping, and dress. Okay, takes me so long because it's folding like that. It's so like that. I have to follow the flat one first, because if iron it, the Meralco is so high, so expensive. But if you have business, you need to use Meralco to flatten the one that you're stitching. There, it's really high. That, see, it's flat here, right? No crooked, no wrinkle. Okay, and then this one is the critical here, because on folding sometimes it doesn't like to be neat or follow the line. So this one, the secret of this is just make it like that, B shape, to make them fitted like that, right? It's a very long process. But if you're already familiar with that, you'll not be bored, right? So it's the same with this one. You have to, the other side, you have to flat very well on the front correct side of the fabric like that. Okay, I have to finish this so that you can see, to those newly learning how to make this. It sounds very difficult, right? There, it's already flat on there, and cover the mark that is my mark sign that I am going to stitch there. So many people, right, even 21 years old, they're doing clothing business. T-shirt is very popular, trending clothing business. I have to flatten it. I have to stop on the before the stop line. that I can determine if it's difficult or not to fold the end of the placket. It's done. You see, it's flat. So the ending of this is like that. This is pretty for ladies. It can be happen to a man, but you have to put his lid. So like that. See? Beautiful. Because if I will do the buttons down, it's so very common. Like that. Next time I will show you how to manage to hide the end, because sometimes you will get difficulty on hiding it. Okay.